Important general knowledge questions and answers on first in India in the field of legislature and judiciary arm of governance. Who is the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, 1950 to 1962. Who is the first Vice President of India? Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 1952 to 1962. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, 1947 to 1964. Nehru remains India's longest serving Prime Minister. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sri Sukumar Sen. Sukumar Sen was an Indian civil servant and was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India, serving from 21st March 1950 to 19 December 1958. Who is the first Industrial Minister of India? The first Minister of Commerce and Industry of Independent India was Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Who is the first person to resign from Central Cabinet in India? Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Who is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 1947 to 1950. Who is the first Law Minister of India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of Indian Constitution and Independent India's first Law Minister. Who is the first Home Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first President of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee. After the party's foundation in December 1885, Umesh Chandra Banerjee became its first president. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Who is the first Governor of Bengal? Lord Clive. Who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Warren Hastings. Who is the first Governor General of India? Lord William Bentinck. Who is the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji, was Independent India's first Indian Governor General. Who is the first Chief Justice of India? Harilal J. Kisandas Kania or H.J. Kania. Who is the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalankar. Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar, known as Dada Saheb, was an independence activist. Who is the first chairperson of Lokpal of India? Pinaki Chandra Ghose. Who is the first finance minister of India? R.K. Shanmugam Shetty. He was an Indian lawyer, economist and politician who served as independent India's first finance minister from 1947 to 1949. Who is the first deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha? S.V. Krishnamurti Rao. Who is the first Attorney General of India? M.C. Settlewal, 1950 to 1963. Who is the first Education Minister of India? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the first Defence Minister in India? Baldev Singh Chokar, 1947 to 1952. Who is the first Agriculture Minister of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, 1946 to 1948. Who is the first Railway Minister of India? John Mathai, 1947 to 1948. Who is the first Cabinet Secretary of India? N.R. Pillai, 1950 to 1953. Who was the first Chief Economic Advisor of India? J.J. Anjaria. Who is the first Solicitor General of India? C.K. Daftari. Who is the first National Human Rights Commissioner of India? Justice Shri Ranganath Misra. Who is the first Foreign Secretary of India? K.P.S. Menon.
Thank you for watching.